Welcome to the world of functional fitness training where strength meets practicality. In this video, we will dive into the myriad benefits of functional fitness and how it enhances your daily life. From improved movement patterns to increased functionality, get ready to unlock a new level of physical prowess. Step number 1. Understanding functional fitness. Explore the concept of functional fitness and its significance in daily life. Learn how functional exercises mimic real-life movements and improve your ability to perform everyday tasks with ease and efficiency. Step number 2. Core strength and stability. Discover how functional fitness training strengthens your core muscles and enhances stability. Understand the importance of a strong core in maintaining proper posture, preventing injuries, and improving overall movement quality. Step number 3. Balance and coordination. Unleash the benefits of functional fitness for balance and coordination. Learn how specific exercises challenge your proprioceptive abilities and improve your body's ability to move in a coordinated and controlled manner. Step number 4. Functional strength and power. Explore how functional fitness develops functional strength and power. Discover exercises that target multiple muscle groups and improve your ability to generate force for real-life activities such as lifting, pushing, and pulling. Step number 5. Mobility and flexibility. Embrace the importance of mobility and flexibility in functional fitness. Learn exercises that enhance joint mobility, improve range of motion, and optimize movement patterns. Understand how increased mobility translates into improved daily activities. Step number 6. Injury prevention and rehabilitation. Discover how functional fitness helps prevent injuries and aids in rehabilitation. Explore exercises that address common weaknesses and imbalances, reducing the risk of injuries both in daily life and during sports or physical activities. Step number 7. Functional endurance and stamina. Uncover how functional fitness improves endurance and stamina. Learn how interval training and circuit-based workout challenge your cardiovascular system and enhance your ability to sustain physical activities for longer durations. Step number 8. Practical applications in daily life. Explore the practical applications of physical fitness in your daily life. Discover how improved strength, balance, and coordination enhance activities such as lifting and carrying groceries, playing with your children, or participating in recreational sports. Step number 9. Training principles and progression. Understand the training principles and progression strategies in functional fitness. Learn how to gradually increase intensity, incorporate variety, and set goals to continue challenging your body and reaping the benefits. Step number 10. Embracing functional fitness as a lifestyle. Embrace functional fitness as a lifelong commitment to your overall well-being. Understand that functional fitness is not just about workouts, but about integrating movement and functionality into your daily life. Embrace the journey and enjoy the rewards of an active and vibrant lifestyle. By incorporating functional fitness into your daily routine, you are investing in your physical resilience, mobility, and overall well-being. Embrace the practicality of functional movements, enjoy the journey of progress, and unlock the full potential of your body in every aspect of life.